Pero sa umaga, basta sa buntag, okay ra Bisayaon? O
Kuya-
English na lang?
English.
English, sige. Tarsier, during the daytime can sleep, and during the night time can moving the trees, and can jump 2 to 3 meters in the other trees. And can, the size of the tarsier is 3 to 6 inches, and the tail is 7 to 11 inches. And the big size of the tarsier is 6 inches, and can eat 100 kinds of insect like cricket, eating a small bird, small butterfly, and cultured worm. And ano pa ba?
Paano po nalalaman
Yung-
kung babae o lalaki sila?
Yung isa, male is a big big muscles and
Muscles.
big hands, and
Mhm.
female is small shoulders and small hands, and I have 6 of them.
Kuya, bakit po siya tinawag na tarsier?
Tinatawag po sila ng tarsier because smallest primate po sila.
Small ano pa?
Smallest primate.
Primate. Okay.
Paano po kino-conserve ng taga Bohol ang tarsier? Or kino-conserve, tas pinoprotect?
Sila po, ang tarsier po, pinoprotect. Like this lang, protection to tarsier. Kulay green na yan. Protection na protect the snake and cat because of the tarsiers can eating that snake. And,
Kinakain po sila ng snake?
Kinakain po sila ng snake. Yan, mga protection yan sa snake at cat.
Alin
Wild
po
cat.
kuya? Yung mga...
Yung kanita yan, nakapalibot yung orange yan, ang protection yan sa tarsier. Para hindi sila kainin ng tarsier.
nabubuhay?
Ang lifespan po nila, ma'am, 15 to 20 years ang lifespan po nila in captivity. But in the wild, 30 years abot sila. Pag lagi mo silang hinahawak-hawakan, madali silang ma-stress at ma-sensitive po sila. Ang buhay, dapat buhay nila 15 to 20 years. Ang buhay naging 10 to 13 years na lang po pag lagi mong hinahawak-hawakan.